To start any crochet project that is worked in rows, I will first have to make a foundation chain. So I'm going to take my yarn and create a loop with the working yarn here in the front. Then I will take the working yarn and tuck it here to the back and pick up the yarn through the loop with my hook and then tighten the knot. And then I'm going to make any number of chains that I will need for my project. So for this little swatch, I'm just going to make 12 chains. So I will yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. And it's very important that the loop here stays on the thicker side of the hook so my chains don't become too tight. So again, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. To start the first row, I'm going to skip the first chain from the hook. So the one that sits here on the hook does not count. So here's the first chain and the second chain is right here. So I will insert my hook, pull up a loop from behind here, then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And again, I'm going to insert my hook into the next chain, then pull my yarn through the chain, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And I will just repeat that all the way across the row through every chain. So again, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Insert, pull up the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 2. And I will just show you again a few more times in slow motion. I've now reached the very last chain here. So again, I will just insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And here is what my first row should look like. To start the next row, I'm going to chain 1. And I'm going to do that by yarning over and pulling through the loop on the hook. Then I will turn my work. To start the second row, I'm going to insert my hook into the very first stitch. So I'm not going to work into the chain stitch here that we just made. I will make it into this first single crochet. So I will insert here and pick up both legs of the stitch, the two legs here. Then pull up my yarn over, and pull through 2. And again, I will insert my hook into the next stitch and pick up both legs of the stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, repeat all the way across the row. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And I will repeat in slow motion. And here at the end of the row, it's easy to get a little bit confused because it could look like we have 2 stitches, but we actually only have one here, and that is the one with the 2 legs. The other one here is just a chain that we skipped for the first row. So I will insert my hook here into the last stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And from here I will just go on and repeat the second row as many times as I need for my project. So I will chain 1 and turn my work. And again, I will make a single crochet into the first single crochet here of the row. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And repeat across into every single stitch. And here at the end, I only have 1 stitch left here. So just insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, to start the next row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm just going to work up a few more rows and meet you right back when I'm ready to fasten off my work. So here at the end of my very last row, I'm going to fasten off my yarn. So I'm going to cut it, then wrap the yarn around my hook and pull it through the loop on the hook and pull it all the way through. And I will tighten the knot. And all that's left to do now is just to weave in the yarn tails, which I will show you in my next video right here.